What are you doing, Scooter? Why are you so happy to have that box? What are you doing? You're lucky that wasn't in there. Why are you so excited? You're so weird. You're really weird, Scooter. Hey! No! You don't chew the box.
It's funny how he knows that my finger's there, isn't it? Pretty cat. I'll do that. I'll get slapped in the face.
Probably.
You're on the wrong side. Big his eyeballs are.
He looks right hateful. Help! I'm trapped in jail! Get me out!
You gotta get on this side.
Alright guys, so it is 1:45 in the morning, and it is technically supposed to be One Take Sunday, but I forgot to record a One Take Sunday. Oh, I need to not stay up till 2 in the morning playing Xbox. I'm tired. I did record a little bit of footage of my cat. But I do believe I have enough money for an Xbox One. I'm going to get it on Tuesday. I had asked for Saturday off, because my birthday's on Friday. But unfortunately, he's supposed to be jamming again on Saturday. They were supposed to come last Saturday and the Saturday before, and they didn't come. And he thinks they're coming, so I can't have my Saturday off. I have my birthday off, which I'll end up most likely working, because everything is closed. I can't go do anything on my birthday because everything is closed. Which, whatever, I guess. But I am off Sunday, because he's closed for Easter Sunday, which I guess is good. So we ended up, he was gonna either give me tomorrow off or Tuesday off, but, no. I work 11 to 2 on Tuesday, then I'm supposed to go to Halifax when I get off, which is really stupid because by the time I get off, it'll be 2 o'clock. By the time we get there, it will be 3:30. So basically, I'm going to be paying gas money just to drive in to go to Best Buy, buy an Xbox. Probably then go to Value Village because Maury wanted to go to Value Village. And basically go eat something, probably, most likely Wendy's because I haven't had Wendy's in forever, and then come home because I don't want to stay too late because I'm gonna need Maury to come to my house with me to help me transfer everything to the Xbox One. So Just why? I just want it one day for my birthday. That's all I want is one day. Just one day is all I wanted. But no, I can't even have a full day to go to the city. Like, seriously. Come on. I'm turning 22 on Friday. And I can't even do anything. Actually, that's a lie. I'm probably gonna get drunk by myself at my house while playing video games. So that's the thing, I guess. But, anyway, as I said, it's 1:45, so I'm gonna go to bed now. Remember, guys, stay classy, and I'll see you tomorrow. My phone is about to die.